Hi, my focal plant is mango, also known as Mangifera indica. Mango is a part of a flowering plant family known as Anacardiaceae, which also includes plants such as poison oak and ivy, cashews, and pistachios. It is indigenous to the region known as the Indian subcontinent, which includes much of southern Asia ranging from the Indian Ocean to the Himalayas. It is also thought to be domesticated in India around 2000 BC and was later brought to Eastern Asia, the Philippines, Africa, and then Brazil. Mango trees are perennials and are harvested year-round depending on location and variety of the plant. In places such as Hawaii, harvesting takes place between the months of June and September. This process may take up to 40 years to fully finish, and the fruits are usually picked once they develop some red, orange, or yellow coloring, and the fruit matures 3 to 5 months after the flowering process has taken place. Mango trees are symmetrical, deep-rooted trees that can reach heights above 90 feet. The leaves that mature on the branches are often glossy and leathery, and new leaves are produced several times every year during various growth flashes, resulting in small flowers covering the entirety of the tree. Most of these flowers act as males and provide pollen, but a few are bisexual and create fruit. This pollination process is carried out by flies, wasps, and bees. Mangoes have one seed that is flattened and sticks to the flesh. It contains one or more embryos, depending on the specific variety being produced. Mango has monoembryonic and polyembryonic varieties that differ greatly in their ability to reproduce the plant. Monoembryonic mangoes have single embryos of hybrid varieties and are generally propagated by grafting onto the seedling rootstocks. This is a version of mango that is usually thought to be of Indian descent, originating back to the very beginning of cultivation. These seeds are sexually reproducing and can be crossed with other species, but may include certain breeding implications depending on the plant combination. On the other hand, polyembryonic seeds, which tend to be more common, have several asexually reproducing embryos in addition to the zygotic one. These embryos develop from the maternal tissue surrounding the fertilized egg. Polyembryonic propagation is known to be more culturally associated with the Indo-Chinese race. This type of reproduction can produce clones of the parental generation due to its asexuality. Mango trees are grown in many nations nearing the equator throughout the entire world. The top 3 producers of mango year-round are India, China, and Thailand. Since commercial production of mango in the United States is limited due to tropical climate requirements, the United States is the world's biggest importer of mangoes, with Mexico as its main supplying country. The areas in the United States that can successfully grow mangoes are California, Hawaii, Florida, and Puerto Rico. Mangoes can be eaten raw or processed into different foods, such as jams and jellies. Many Eastern and Asian cultures use unripe mangoes for pickles, chutneys, and relishes. Once all of the fruit has been picked off, mango trees can also be used for their wood to make boats, flooring, furniture, or even ukuleles. There are many health benefits associated with mango. Research has shown that antioxidant compounds in mango have been found to protect against colon, breast, leukemia, and prostate cancers. On top of that, the high levels of fiber, pectin, and vitamin C help lower cholesterol. It can also be used both internally and externally for clearing the skin. Since it contains vitamin A, it is a good source of nutrition for keeping the eyes healthy and functioning properly. Also, it can aid in pH regulation of the body as well as helping the digestion process. The importance of mango reaches every corner of the globe. More fresh mangoes are eaten every day around the world than any other fruit. It is also the national fruit of India, Pakistan, and the Philippines. So tell your friends and go out and eat some mango.